Hiya, so I am back again with another hair oil review, and this time it's from the Sardar Co. As you can tell, I haven't opened the packaging yet. I thought I'd do it all on camera and go through like a very thorough review. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Okay, so here it is. So just by looking at this packaging, it makes me believe that they've invested a lot of time into creating this. At the top they've put the company name, which is the Sardar Co, and in the middle they've given like a brief description of what this hair oil is all about, and it says a deeply nourishing hair oil formulated with 100% natural ingredients, which is always good, leaving hair incredibly soft, light and moisturized. Who wouldn't like that? I want my hair to be like that. And at the bottom in yellow, it just gives you some of the ingredients that they've put into creating this hair oil, which are argan, jojoba and marula oil, which is always good. So let's get straight into opening it. Oh, look at that. So they've given you obviously the hair oil just there. I'm gonna pop that away for a second. It's come with this cute little booklet, and it just explains what every ingredient in here is and what it does, like what are the benefits of it. So if you're very particular about what ingredients have gone into this hair oil, give this booklet a little read and it'll explain it to you properly. So onto the product. This is the actual hair oil. Let me just see if I can focus this in. There you go. Absolutely love this. Look how elegant the actual bottle looks. And again, it's given the company name on there, the ingredients at the back and at the front a little bit as well, and it also explains on how to use it. On here it tells you to use it by applying oil to damp or dry hair, ensuring coverage of scalp, roots and ends of hair. For best results, apply a generous amount and massage oil into scalp and hair. Leave the hair oil in for at least 2 hours before washing. So I'm going to be doing the exact same thing. Apparently it also smells really nice as well. Because my hair is quite light and it's thin and dry, I'm just going to be using a few pumps, not too much. I'm going to be using them in my roots, my scalp, and just on my ends as well. So if I just put a few pumps. Ooh, smells really nice, like coconutty and watermelon. So I'm going to keep my hair in a bun like this, just so that the oil stays in place and interlocks with all my roots and the dry ends. And also this oil, it feels really good on my hands as well. Like it's not greasy, it's not sticky, which is always a good thing. So I will be keeping it in my hair for about 2 hours and I'm going to wash it out. So I will be back in a bit. So I just finished drying my hair, and as you can tell it's pretty dry now. But whilst I was waiting for it to dry, I was reading this booklet. And it's actually pretty good because it tells you all the things that are contained in the oil and what's the purpose behind them. So for example, this contains flaxseed oil. If your hair is like prone to breakage and if it's damaged anyways, this helps to recover it. Onto the actual oil, my hair feels super soft and is really moisturized. While I was drying my hair, normally I have to add extra oil into just my roots at the top and into my tips because those are the places that are prone to be dry. But this time I didn't need to. I'm really happy about that because sometimes if you put in just a bit too much oil, then your hair ends up getting greasy again and you're just like, what was the point in washing my hair? I've just made it more greasy. But no, I really enjoyed the fact that I didn't need to do that, and that's only because of this particular oil. So yeah, I absolutely love it. I do recommend it because it does everything that it says. It's definitely nourished my hair, it's definitely moisturized it as well, and my hair is not dry at all. So I absolutely love it and it smells amazing. I really hope you guys like this video. Let me know if you got any questions. Okay, thank you very much guys. Bye.